through the orchards I see spread the silks of yellow, indigo, and blue, the voice of horses sweet and true, and the tune that jonglers play, who fiddle from tent to tent, trumpets, horns, and clarions gay. Then I'll make a servantess today, that Count Richard may its intent know. With Aragon's king I'd end the fray and turn to peace as lovers do. As lovers do. But he was too discourteous too, when here he came to war that day. So it is right I reprehend, I speak it his pride to allay. It grieves me if I see him stray, and wish from me he'd learn what's meant. Learn what's meant. All wish to accuse me, so they say. One vassal told me of his crew, that from Castello till fame he drew, when he cast Lord Espanol away. And it seems he'll not defend against him if he dare to assay. When he entered invited, they say, he conquered little in the end. Henceforth no more I'll hide away, but be his heartfelt friend so true. Gaston, whose bairn and power do, sent me tidings to convey, that for his prisoners he took amend from the king, who should them repay. He chose the wealth to bear away, ere all his prisoners back were sent. For what junglers tell me today, their praises all are lost, it's true. If e'er he gave them garments blue, or made them any gift, I say, he hates that one should him reprehend. From one alone he knew to pay, artizet, for which he's blamed today. For to the Jews he put him to vend. Pierre Juggler knew ill to repay, who lent him coin and horses too. The old crone, a font of vault, it's true, awaits him, had him hewn in fray. The tokens made with the bands extend from the king at arms tunic, they say. That he gave him could not prevent that men with knives should him all rend. Per Royce could well divine, when first he saw the royal youth, he'd not be bold nor evil truth. He knew it by his yawning play, a king who yawns or stretches spent when he hears of battle's fray. Seems it from vanity, I say, and in arms has no intent. I forgive him if he did me wrong, to Catalans and Laro's crew, since Poito's lord, as is his due, commanded he dared no other song. A king who wages must attend his lord, well should he toil and pray. He came here for gain, I say, more than for other business end. I wish the king may know its intent, and gladly make it song today. My Cervantes to Navarre's king I pray, and through Castile let it be sent.